Today we're going to be making something that you want to wake up to every morning. Blueberry muffins. That's right. It's very quick, very simple, easy recipe. So let's get these eyes on. Let's get to cooking. Alright guys, you guys ready to make the most unbelievable blueberry muffins in the world? So let's get started. Alright. We got to have 2 bowls for this. Because in one bowl we got to have the flour, another bowl we got to have the mixture. Alright. So in the first bowl we're going to do 2/3 cup of sugar. Alright. Quarter of the way there already. So 2 large eggs. Alright. Those in there. Then we gotta have a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Alright, let's see. Whoa. There we go. We go. Then, yes, I should get up a bit. 1/2 cup buttermilk. Yep, you heard me. 1/2 cup buttermilk. Boom. Yep, I just did that. All right. Then we're gonna need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ooh, yeah. Here we go. Now all we have to do Alright, there's our mixture there. So, separate bowl here. We got to do 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. That's 1. 3/4 cup. We also got to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Boom. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of one and 2. All right. All right. Mix this up really, really well to get all the salt and baking powder into the flour really good. All right. Take the blueberries, put in there. Now we're going to take a flour and mix all the ingredients together. Ooh, there we go. Okay, that's what happens when you do one of these. But if you do it with a spatula, look at that. Oh yeah. That's what happens when you do with a spatula. So you gotta fold that in. Boom. Mix it up. All right. Done with the blueberries. Now we gotta make the toppings. All right. In a little bit separate bowl, we're gonna add the toppings, which is 3 tablespoons of sugar. Oh yeah. We'll keep just adding the goodness to this recipe. 1, 2, and 3. All right. 1/4 cup of flour. All right, and we got 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Add it to that. Mix this up. All right. There we go. Let's get to plating this up. Make some blueberry muffins. All right. Regular size pan here for your muffins. So it'll be a muffin pan. Make sure you're getting the little creases right in there. All right. And on the sides. Now you can use oil. You can use shortening to do this. But I like to use good old spray. Makes it easier. Make sure you get it very well. Because I'm not using the actual holders, cupcake holders. So that way they'll come right out. All right. Let's get to filling these up. Here we go. All right. Now, we got all these full. Look at that right there. We're going to take this, which is the topping on the blueberry muffin. So, we want to take this. Little guy got away. And you want to put it on top of the blueberries. So I'm going to make some with and some without. All right, there we go. So we got a preheated oven, 350 degrees. Let's get them in. So about 15-20 minutes, we're going to have some muffins. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's get these bad boys out. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's do a test on them. All right. All right. Nothing's on there, so they're ready. I'm gonna let them cool down for about 10-15 minutes. We're gonna pop these out. We're gonna take a look inside. See you in 10. All right. These been sitting here for about 10 minutes. And I want to give you a little close up right there. Woo-wee. See that? These right here are the ones that have a little extra goodness on top. They just want to make you wake up and just have a party. All right. Let's tear one of these out. Oh yeah, let's look at that. That topping right there. Oh yeah. But let's look on the inside. That's a blueberry muffin. All right. Wee. Okay, that's up a second. All right, guys. We made some blueberry muffins here. Oh, man, we're going to have a party this morning. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this episode of Blueberry Muffin on the Mentioned Melon Foods. Hit that like, subscribe, share button. Help me grow this channel, please. And as always, guys, you have a great day.